Welcome to the Madeira tutorial on how to use our Avalon wash-away embroidery topping. This will help you achieve sharp outlines and clean details on high-pile textiles. Prepare all necessary materials. Wash-away film helps you get great embroidery results on terry, coarse knitwear, stretchy piqué, and other long-pile fabrics. First, cut a piece large enough to be hooped with the selected frame. Place the underside of the hoop on the table, position the backing, textile and Avalon, and close the hoop. Check that everything is hooped correctly and the wash-away film is flat. Embroider as normal. The topping will hold down loops of fabric or piles of terry. Then gently tear away the excess film. To remove excess inside the embroidery, moisten the embroidery and dab with a clean cloth or sponge. Or use a leftover piece of film. Press it onto the humid embroidery, wait a few seconds, and tear away. The garment's first wash will dissolve any excess. Place aside to dry, without piling up embroidered garments. Find this and more videos at www.madeira.com/bestpractice.